Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Porsche Macan with key. Start by pressing the small button on the fob to release the metal blade, then slide out the blade fully. Approach the driver door handle, lift the rubber cover gently, and insert the blade into the exposed lock cylinder. Turn with steady pressure until the door clicks open, then remove the blade and stow it back into the fob. This method works when the keyless system is unavailable or the battery is dead. Find the small rubber cover on the driver door handle and peel it back to reveal the lock cylinder. Insert the metal blade straight into the cylinder and apply steady, even pressure while turning to unlock. If you encounter resistance, stop and check alignment. Using too much force can bend the blade or damage the cylinder. Treat the metal blade with care and avoid using it as a pry tool. Store a spare key away from the vehicle and replace worn blades to ensure smooth operation. If the lock is corroded or resists turning, stop and seek professional help rather than forcing the mechanism. Regular maintenance and gentle use will keep the lock functioning and preserve your Macan's finish and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.